we can now reveal Bruce Lehrmann has been named as the high-profile man accused of raping a woman twice in Toowoomba in October 2021. Lehrmann was charged with 2 counts of rape in January. It's understood he denies the allegations. The alleged incident reportedly happened shortly before he was committed to stand trial over allegations he raped Brittany Higgins. That trial was later abandoned because of juror misconduct and the charge dropped. Lehrmann strenuously denies raping Miss Higgins.
Georgina Hill is outside Brisbane's Supreme Court. Georgie, we've known about these charges for a while, but why haven't we been able to report on it until now?
Waleed, we have been gagged for months on being able to name Bruce Lehrmann. So we first learnt about these charges of 2 counts of rape back in January when he was first charged by Queensland Police, the allegations stemming to an incident that allegedly happened in Toowoomba. Under Queensland laws at the time, you couldn't name an alleged sex offender before they were committed to stand trial. Now, on October 3rd, those laws changed. It was a major change here in Queensland, where you could publicly name someone who had been charged with rape or another sexual offence before they were committed. However, Bruce Lehrmann's defence team immediately suppressed his name. 2 weeks ago, we were in Toowoomba and a magistrate actually declared that the non-publication order should be lifted, but once again, Lehrmann's defence team appealed that, and that has brought us here today when we were in the Supreme Court and Justice Applegarth finally lifted that non-publication order, allowing us to finally bring you these details.
What more can you tell us about the charges that Bruce Lehrmann is facing?
So, Sarah, it's 2 counts of rape. The incident allegedly happened in October in 2021 in Toowoomba. It's alleged that Bruce Lehrmann met a woman during a night out and they went home together. It's alleged that he had given her a false name and that those 2 counts of rape allegedly happened, one at night and one time in the morning. Queensland Police then charged him in January. That is when we first found out about this case, but we were just prevented from bringing you any details other than saying the words "a high-profile man has been charged with 2 counts of rape." But in terms of naming him, we just couldn't do it up until a couple of hours ago.
So when is this matter next before the court?
So Justice Applegarth will now publish his decisions on why he wanted that non-publication order to be lifted. The matter will eventually go to committal. A date for that has not been set yet, but this will be a case study, I imagine, going forward in Queensland, because this is the first time those new laws where you can name an alleged sex offender have really been tried, have really been tested and have been argued until the point of a non-publication order finally being lifted.
Georgie, thanks so much for speaking to us. Appreciate it.
Thank you.